This tutorial explains how to view hazards, layups, and dogleg distances using your Garmin Approach S20 watch. For par 4 and 5 holes, you can check for hazards that could affect your club and shot selection. To check for hazards, hit OK. Select Hazards. Distances to the front and the back of the nearest hazard show up on the screen. The graph on the right side of the screen represents the center of the fairway. Various hazards are labeled on the left, center, or right of that line. To view other hazards that might be on the current hole, choose up or down. Bunkers that are close together will only have one label, and the distance to the front and back of that group is clearly shown. Only one hazard or group of hazards is selected at a time. Only hazards along the fairway or around the green that affect shot or club selection are shown. You can also view a list of layup and dogleg distances for par 4 and 5 holes. Hit OK. Select Layups. Layup and dogleg distances appear on the left of the screen, and the distances to reach each layup appear on the right. Layup distances are given to the 250, 200, 150, and 100-yard markers. That's it for this video. Learn more features of the Garmin Approach S20 by watching the other videos in this series.